Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have the review of Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. So this is a 1939 or a 38 model of a Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. So these were really popular cars, especially in America. These were found in abundance in that era. This is the engine compartment. First, I would like to take you on a walk around of this car, and then I'll come back to the specs and other details. And before that, thank you Autobling for letting me to film this car. So they are amazing guys. They do all kinds of car wash, polishing and other stuff. So I'll leave the link in the description. You can go check them out if you live in Bangalore. And let's continue the walk around, and after a little walk around I'll run you through the specs.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러.
So this is the engine compartment of the Chevrolet. This is an inline six-cylinder naturally aspirated gasoline engine which produces 79 to 80 horsepower, quite respectable. It is water cooled and it has overhead valve which was quite modern at that time. And this is the side and this is the interior. Really beautifully restored car. I'm loving this car. So all the leather upholstery is really good, and this is going to stand for years to come by. You can see it's a beautiful design. I'm loving it. So this is the rear hatch, and this is the wheel of the so-called limousine. So it's a really big car. I don't think it's under 3 meters. This is the beautiful lights, and this is the fuel filler cap. And let's continue our walk around towards the back and the side of the car. And there's one more thing which I'm going to show you. This is the light, okay? And just wait for it, okay? See the fenders, beautiful wheels, white walled retro style wheels. And some of you have already guessed about the doors. Okay, I'll just show you in a minute. Beautiful leather upholstery. This is the small glove box. This is the interior, and this is the front door opening, and the interior is the glove box. Beautiful car. And this is the speedometer. It shows different things. Speed, carpet. It's just beautiful. And this is a 3-speed manual transmission. I guess it has overdrive and synchromesh. It's all original, except that it's been restored. This is an original restoration. So beautifully the door closes and we open the rear door. This is a suicide door. Okay, you got it. That's what I wanted to tell. Again, the carpeting, it's just beautiful. And the whole color, this theme over here is just so well done. It's really well thought of. And this was the car which many businessmen used to use, not just in India, but in most of the countries around the world. So this is not a fully restored car. It's like 75% of the work is done. Just few bits and pieces here must be done. So let's continue our tour. And this is again, I'm just opening the door to show you guys another peek. And this is to slide the windows, the quarter windows. We close it. So beautiful. And again, that's the engine. There'll be a piece of paneling over there. And this fender, it's just beautiful. It's really big. And that largeness also comes to the headlights. This is the biggest headlights and grills I've ever seen in person in my life. So this is again the side, and this is the front driver side door. And then driver side rear door. So this is just the window. It rolls down really smooth. Everyone must have such an experience. Wow, this car is almost 90 years old. So this is the wheels again. Hubcaps are beautiful. Headlights and real awesome bumpers.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are some of the pictures, and make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video if you love it, and share it to your friends if they are interested in cars. Please support me. One like, it helps a lot. I will make more videos like this. Peace out, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. And I also want to let you guys know that this is my production, and this is not a Creative Commons attribution. This is a standard YouTube license, so you can't use any of this. And this is my own production, so make sure you don't use any clips or any photos. But if you do want to use it, I'll leave my email in the link in the description. You can check it out and contact me through that.